Big A, little A. What begins with A? Aunt Annie's alligator. A. A. Big B, little B. What begins with B? Barber baby bubbles and a bumblebee. Big C, little c. What begins with C? Camel on the ceiling. C. Big D, little d. David Donald do. Dreamed a dozen donuts and a duck dog too. A, B, C, D, E. Ear, egg, elephant. E. Big F, little f. F. 4 fluffy feathers on a fefer. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.